Alright guys, this is Chuck from B4. This is a recap of a trade we ran in a recent session with B4 CoPilot. Just as a disclaimer, this is recorded and narrated in post. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching our channel. Please watch this video to the end as it helps our ratings. Alright, in this session we are introducing version 4.0. It's going to be coming out pretty soon. If you'll take a look at your screen, you'll see some cyan bars and some magenta bars. Those are our delta momentum bars. Also, you'll notice the dots above and below the candles. Those are our order flow exhaustion signals. We're going to be straightforward with the strategy here. We're going to mark up some zones on our chart, and we're just going to arm CoPilot and let it enter automatically. We're going to go ahead and skip ahead in this video for the sake of time. We're going to go ahead and use our imbalances, draw up some supply and demand zones here. There's one of our order flow exhaustion signals there, pushing to the bull side. There it goes again, right there at that area. Getting an imbalance right here in our zone. Have a bearish well signal coming in. Let's see what they do here. Alright, a bullish candles fighting. Alright, there goes our delta momentum bar and our order flow exhaustion signal, pushing to the upside. There's our entry. Let's move this up right here below the stack and balance. Nice momentum there. We're going to guard in profit. Give it a little bit more room. And that takes us out at $308.28. Let's go ahead and mark up another zone there. Alright, we got our trend break right there. Breaking that trend line. Let's see what it does here. Alright, here we go. We're arming the short. We're arming CoPilot, and it's trend detection is short, so it's arming itself in the short position. There we go. We have some bearish momentum coming in. CoPilot automatically gets us in the trade. We're going to guard behind and bring it into profit real quick here, or at least get it to break even. Alright, we're at $1,854.06. Alright, that's going to conclude today's session. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you very much. Be sure to check out our free Discord, and you can also download our free B4 indicator on b4signals.com.